We will learn how we can assign Proxy to any sessions. To do that, we first log in, and we can click on Browser. Once you go to the browser, you can first create a proxy. So let me create a new proxy. You can do that from this section. Click here. Click on Proxies and click on New Proxy. Let me assign a new one. Okay, I'm going to assign this one. So let me let me name it first. Proxy 5, host name. Let me copy. And let me assign HTTP username and password and click on Add. So you can see that proxy is added. Now we can assign proxy to any session. So let me enter. So I'm going to test on this domain link to check if my proxy is assigned to session or not. I will click on Go and I will name it Proxy Test Server. Will be default. This one will assign Proxy 5, newly assigned one, 154. And let's create this one. Okay, as you can see that a newly proxy is assigned to this server. Let me refresh again. You can see this is applied. Let me just on different one. Okay, this is proxy. Okay, let me first assign a new proxy, or you can use the older one. So I'm going to use different one. Proxy, let's name it 6. I'm going to use any one. Let me copy this one. Host name, let me copy both. Default will be HTTP username. Let me copy this one. Let me paste this password and click on Save. Okay, you can see that proxy is assigned to our server. Let me close this one and let me create a new one. Okay, I'm going to test on the same IP on this domain. Okay, this will be proxy test 2. Server will be default 1 and proxy will be latest 6. And click on Create. Okay, as you can see, this is also using our latest proxy. Let me refresh this page again. So you can see this. Let me again access the previous one. Oopsie. Okay, so you can see that this is using a different one. Let me close this and let me go to Sessions. You can assign it from here. Okay, so you can see this is not selected. Let me try another one. Let me click on Save. Let me also see this one. Let me assign it again. 6. Save. As you can see, proxy 5 and proxy C. Let me open this one again. As you can see, this one is using this proxy. Let me test another session. Let me check if this is using, okay, proxy 6. Let me test this one again. Okay. So both proxy are actively used in different tab. You can see you can refresh the speed again. And let me refresh the speed again. So it works. So you can create different proxy and assign to the sessions from our Sendwin cloud browser.